guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some organizational tips that I picked up along the way. So yeah, so I wanted my channel to be about more than budgeting the money. I wanted to show real life, you know, what you actually do with the money once you save it and put it in the envelopes. And so I'm big on organization, so I want to start sharing some of these videos. I had entertained the thought of starting a new channel, but my sister was like, you already have this channel monetized and it really can still tie in with saving money. So I thought that was a great idea, and plus I didn't have the energy to try to network and, you know, build another channel because I'm so busy. So yeah, so here I am sharing with you some organizational tips. Of course, we're gonna be doing this drawer in my kitchen. We're gonna take everything out there, and of course we're gonna clean. I love to watch cleaning videos. I'll link some of the ladies' channels that I watch, you know, in the video. I especially love LG Queen. Yes, she is very good at organizing, and I've been watching her for about 2 or 3 years now. I'll link her channel in the description box, and that's where I got some of these ideas from. Yeah, I just love being organized. It decreases my stress, and so when I'm really stressed out, I just organize, because I feel like if your life is organized, you know, it's less chaotic. That's just my opinion and my experience. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here. So if you watched my previous video, you saw where I was paying back my buffer account, and that this is part of it. I picked up these organizers from Amazon. They will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. Those labels I created on, where my sister created them for me on Cricut Design Space. And this little organizer is for your aluminum foil, plastic, and your wax paper. I love this. Linda shared this on her channel, LG Queen, and I was blown. I was like, oh my god, I gotta get it. So we're gonna put the wax paper in this. I'm not putting a full roll of wax paper and plastic wrap and aluminum foil, so it's kind of challenging, but yeah. So we just gonna open this container up and slide the wrap in, and you open it up on the side. It has a little door on the side, and you just slide it in. So I'm gonna let you finish watching me organize this drawer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. What are you doing in your home? Do you like to organize? Let me know in the comment section.